Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial. So today I'll be showing you how to use your MT5. So we already have our MT5 downloaded, but first of all, before we continue, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this video. If you are watching from any other social media, also follow the account, like this video and share. Alright, let's go back to the video. So as you can see, we are in the main dashboard. Once you are on MT5 and you have not added any account, this is how it's going to look. Below the screen you can see quotes, charts, trade history and messages, and above the screen you can see accounts, a mini menu and one other icon there with a plus icon. So everything I'm going to explain how we are going to go about it. So the first thing you should do is click the plus icon, which is adding a trading account. Now in MT5 it's just a trading terminal where you add your broker to it, where you add your broker to MT5. So you connect your broker, it might be Xness or it might be Derive or any trading broker. You add it to your MT5 and this is where you take your trades from. Now you can also create an account, an MT5 account. You can also be using that for trades, but in Nigeria we mostly use brokers to connect to our MT5. So let's quickly connect our accounts to MT5. Alright,
so if you want to also connect your Xness broker to your MT5, there is a video I just did. The video link is in the description of this video, so click it and go and watch.
So we have connected our broker to our MetaTrader 5. Now for the sake of this video, I will be using a demo account. Now as you can see, we have $50 on the demo account. Now let's explore how we can use MT5 to our best use. Now we have quotes. This is the first place you always go to be able to to see the currency you are trading. Now when you first of all add your broker to your MT5, it's not going to really show all the pairs that you normally trade. Like as a forex trader, we do trade mostly major currency pairs, metals and maybe cryptocurrencies. So you first of all click this pencil icon as this top here. You click on it, then you click on this delete icon so that you can be able to delete the unnecessary currency pairs you don't want. Now you click on this plus icon again and you search for, let's say, Euro USD. So you click on this plus again and then you go back. So you can see we have Euro USD on our quotes. It can also be called a whitelist. Now you click on it. As soon as you click on it, you are going to see new order, charts, properties, market statistics and simple view mode. Now the only thing you should be focusing on is the new order option and the chart option. Now those two options is most used properties in this section. Now new order, once you click on it, it's simply going to take you to where you can take your trades. Now you have at the top here market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. So I'll be using market execution because I want to execute my trade at that particular time. Now you can set your SL and also your take profit, and if you are selling the market, it's written below sell by market, buy by market. So that is simple. So what I will be doing here is just to say let's buy. So once I click on buy, my order has been accepted, but I didn't put any stop loss. Why? Because I have not predefined my stop loss, right? So let's go back. Now you can see on this chart, this is where you see exactly how the market is doing statistically. So as you can see, we are not really on the chart. So we'll go back to quotes, click on Euro USD and click on charts. So it takes us directly to our chart. So as you can see, we are on the Euro USD chart, and look at the order I placed. You can see it very well. You can see by 0.09, right? Now that is for that. So this trade icon is very essential also. So we're going over to this trade icon. So you click on this trade icon and you can see that it shows us how our trade is doing. Like, it's showing us the amount of profit or loss we are making, and it's also giving us our balance, equity, margin and free margin, and also it shows our margin level. Now, before we start imputing our stop losses and the rest of that, I want to show you how we can explore the chart session very effectively. Now we'll go over to the chart section back again, and as you can see, we can do so many things here. We can also do chart analysis and the likes of them. So let's just do a quick one here. Now we have different tools we can use to do our chart analysis, and we have different things that we can do here. Now you can also make a quick execution on MT5. You can make a quick execution instead of going to the quotes to take your execution, because the market is very volatile and you might want to not miss what the market gives to you at that particular time. Now you see this icon at the top right of this screen. You're going to click on it, this square that shows red and blue divided. So you click on it. This brings the bar that will give you the access to click buy and sell. So as you can see, we have buy and sell, and it also gives us where we impute our lot size. So you can see we can change our lot size to 0.01. all right, so that's it for that. And the next one I want to be showing you is where you can change your time frame. So if you click on the screen, anywhere in the screen is going to pop up a circle icon. A circle. So on this circle, you are going to see M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1 and MN. Now you understand what this means, which is 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week and a month time frame. Now we also have other sections. So the main sections you should be paying attention to is the shapes and the settings icon, and also the indicator section. Now the indicator section is the one that simply has a zigzag like and crossed shaped icon, and the settings icon is the one that you can see 3 lines and dotted like icon also. Then this shapes icon is where we essentially use for making to draw out our order blocks, demand zones and the rest of them. All right, so that is what we'll be using for this video. Now look at this very quickly. So I'm going to click on the shapes icon. So you can see rectangle, or you can call it box, Fibonacci retracement, arrow, trend line and horizontal ray. So those are the most ones I use every time. So you can see that they are under favorite objects. So I'm going to click on the rectangle box. Now as you can see, the rectangle box did not appear on our screen, except we start drawing it from exactly where we want it to start from. Now anytime you want to use the rectangle box or any object or shape on the MetaTrader 5, you must draw it exactly from where you want it to start from. All right, let's say for instance we are drawing our demand zone. So I have clicked on the square tool. So what I'm going to do is just simply go to exactly where I want to draw, because if you draw it in another place, it's not going to be exactly where you want it to be. So I'm drawing my order block. So as you can see, I've drawn out the order block and I leave it like that. Now once you are done, you click on this check icon and it's going to snap to that place. All right, so that is that. You understand? That is that. So you can also explore other functions like the trend line. Maybe if you want to draw a trend line, draw it also the same thing. You understand? So you draw it the same thing. You draw it. You can draw a trend line. You can do anything you want to do. And now MT5 has a good upgrade that it does not automatically snap. You simply come to this 3 dot here, you click on auto scale. So you remove it from auto scale so that you can be able to move the chart very well without it auto scaling. You understand? You can see that my own is auto scaling. You can see it's auto scaling. Now just go back again and click free chart movement. So that's it, free chart movement. You can be able to move without it auto scaling so that you can be able to analyze very well. So that is that. Now I know you understand that now. So this is time frame usage. You can see I'm switching from different time frame very fast. You can see weekly, 5 minute back again. And also to increase your size of chart, to be able to increase your size of chart, you simply go to this price, this place where you see numbers. You click, you just drag it down like this. So the further you drag it down, the more it decreases in size. You understand? So now if you want to like make it wider, you just use your 2 fingers to spread the screen out like this. You understand? You can see that it's spreading out. So you just spread it out. That is how to get that view. So that is that. And lastly, before we start setting in our stop losses, please, you can explore this app because there are various functions in this app that are unlimited. All right, so these are the basic functions that we mostly use on the MT5. Now I'll go over to the trade section. Now you can see we are in a loss, so I'm just doing this for the sake of this video. Now we have other options here. When you are on a trade, like let's take for example this trade that we are now, you see this part where you see Euro USD. You are going to slide to the left. This first icon by the left is your close trade. So you can see you can just easily close the trade from here. And also when you swipe again, this button, this pencil icon, is where you modify your trade. So once you get your SL figure, you can impute your SL figure here. You can just impute it. All right, so and your TP figure, you can also impute that. So and you get your trade. Now there's also another option. This plus is simply for you to take another position, but we don't usually use that position, that icon mostly. Then this other last one here is to go back to the chart. Maybe if you are in multiple trades, let's say for example Euro USD and you are on gold also, you can use this to easily go back to that particular chart. So if we click on it, it's going to take us back to the chart dashboard. So we are also going to talk about this history icon. So if you click on this history icon, it's simply going to show you all the history of all your trades. So as you can see, we have XAUSD, balance, and that's how you can see orders, your orders, which is buy and sell, deals, the same thing. So you can explore everything and see how everything gives you results. So if you click on this calendar icon, it simply helps you to calculate your total trades for a particular time. Let's say last week, you can see your trade for last week and how much you made. So on this account, you can see we are in a drawdown of $204. All right, so if you go to last month, we're in a drawdown of what, $547. So that's how we calculate. So if you go to last 3 months, we have not really, this account has not been for 3 months. All right, so you can also use today $19 period. Now you can set period. Maybe you want to go back to day before yesterday, you can just go to 26 and click OK. So it's going to show you how your trades went on that particular day. So lastly, I'll be showing you how to use your indicators, because you can see we have indicators in this chart. We have moving average in this chart. So as you can see, we can either go to the indicator either from here, or you click on this icon here at the top here. You click on it and you can just simply click on this F icon. As you can see, we have tons of indicators in this section, so you can just choose whatever indicator you want to use and you can set it. So let's say for example moving average, you can set the period, so 10, let's leave it like that, simple or exponential or smoothed or linear weight. So just leave it on simple, then apply to close, open, high, low, median price. So whatever you want it to be. Then your levels, if you want it to be thicker or lighter, you understand. So then time frames, which time frames do you want this to work for? So you can just leave it on all, and your style, the color and everything. So that's it. and you click on save. So once you click on save, you go back and it's going to show on your timeline. So as you can see, you can see another moving average on my chart. So I don't really need that, so I'm going to just delete that. So you can just simply come to this place and just click on delete. So you just click on the delete icon, select last one, and it's deleted. So that's that. And if you want to also delete maybe this square, you can just click on it and press delete, and it's going to delete. Also same with this delete. So I believe you have learned a lot from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and if you are watching from any other social media like TikTok, don't forget to like and follow us for more videos like this. See ya.